Hello. You are watching Rahmat English Research Center. Here, you will find easy ways to learn and understand English. Our goal is to strengthen your English skills. So, let's get started. 3 Quetzales common polite expressions. Teach polite words and phrases. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Answer. Teaching common polite expressions. Please. Used to make a polite request. Example. Can you pass me the book, please? Thank you. Used to express gratitude. Example. Thank you for helping me with my homework. You're welcome. A polite response to thank you. Example. A. Thank you for the gift. B. You're welcome. Excuse me. Used to politely get someone's attention or apologize for interrupting. Example. Excuse me, may I ask a question? I'm sorry. Used to apologize. Example. I'm sorry for being late. Practice exercise. Create a dialogue using at least 3 of these polite expressions. Example. A. Excuse me, is this your book? B. Yes, it is. Thank you for finding it. A. You're welcome. Practice dialogue. A. Excuse me, can I borrow your pen for a moment? B. Sure, here you go. A. Thank you so much. B. You're welcome. By the way, I'm sorry I didn't return your notebook yesterday. A. No problem. Please return it when you can. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Rahmat English Research Center. Do share your feedback and suggestions in the comments. Thank you.